Hi everyone! My name is Acadia Black, also known as Latrick on Instagram and YouTube. I wanted to make a short commentary video today about my art process, but I think it might be a little longer than I anticipated, so please bear with me. Firstly, I scrolled through Unsplash, which is a website in the app with royalty-free images, and I found this image by C+. It is a 3/4 view portrait, and I made a doodle of it, and I did not touch it for 3 days. But then I got a random spurt of energy and wanted to go back to it. After setting up my screen to align the reference photo with my canvas, I started to redefine the sketch multiple times. Once I felt my sketch was ready, I started to add my base colors in, but I tried not to go too crazy with it. Once I was satisfied with all the base colors, I started to go into more detail, starting off with the skin layer. And it took me a while, but we got there in the end. Next, I moved on to the hair layer because I was too afraid to tackle the clothing because I'm very bad at it. but it turned out that I would have more trouble doing the hair than the clothes. Finally, we get to the shirts, and even though I liked the blue at first, I didn't really think that it matched the vibe of the whole piece since I started adding gold touches to it. So I just turned it into a brownish color, which in my opinion turned out good in the end. But I wish I started off with this color in the beginning to save me some time. Then there was the jewelry. I hate drawing jewelry, which means I probably should do a study on it so I can get better, but I don't want to. But I started off with the necklace first, which you can see that I didn't really love it, but it turned out okay for my stylish so far. But I will get better in the future, I promise. Now I'm at the point where I'm adding my final details, or tiny details, where I get obsessed with color dodge and add the layers and start making everything glittery and shiny. And here is the final piece. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. I really appreciate it. And hopefully you guys are able to better understand my drawing process, and I was able to inspire you guys a little bit to draw today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye!